Good morning, sixth graders. This is lesson 6 for module 3, topic A. So lesson 6 is all about rational numbers on the number line. And basically what that means is plotting pretty much any number on a number line, even if it's a negative number, even if it's a fraction, things like that. So it says use the number line diagram below to answer the following questions. So we had 0 here. And I put in these sort of hints along the way. So we had 1 and -1 are now not just one spot away like we're used to. We've now broken it down into smaller pieces. So we would have had to figure out, okay, from 0 to 1, how many tick marks are there? And you'd count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, so 12 tick marks. So 1 is the same thing as 12 over 12. So if we have to break it up into twelfths, 12 even pieces, right, this is going to be 1/12. This is going to be 2/12. I've already put 3/12, 4/12, 5/12, and so on. It would keep going. 6/12 or 1/2, 7/12, 8/12, 9/12, 10/12, and 11/12, followed by 12/12. Same thing going backwards. -1/12, we're still going the same distance. -2/12, -3/12, -4/12, and so on. Now let's look at our questions. What is the length of each segment in the number line? Well, what's the distance between each tick mark along the way? Right, from here to here, it is 1/12. From here to here, it's a distance of 1/12. From here to here, still 1/12. So 1/12 is the length of each segment on the number line. What number does point K represent? Well, I've already filled that out. K is 8/12. And if you divide the top and bottom by 2, you get 4/6. Divide by 2 again. 2/3. So 8/12, 2/3 is what point K represents. What is the opposite of point K? Well, if point K is 8/12, the opposite of that is going to be the same distance away. So negative K, the opposite of K, is -8/12. Okay. Last question. Locate the opposite of point K on the number line and label it point L. So I should have actually labeled this point L. I did not read the directions all the way. So we found the opposite of point K. 8 spots away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 spots away from 0. That is -8/12. You're labeling that point L. Right? Awesome. And this was lesson 6 for module 3, topic